Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe a situation I encountered while doing self-checkout at Walmart. And at the end, I would like you to write your opinion about it. So I was at a Walmart store. It was like not a big purchase. I had to pick up two items from pharmacy and two general items. Okay. So I picked two items from pharmacy. I paid for those over there. Now, there, out of those two items, I paid for one item because the other item was included with it. So there were two boxes, but yeah, the receipt was for one only because the other was included. It was an offer. Okay, that was given. So fine. I took and I paid for those over there. Then I picked up those remaining two items from the general section and I went for self checkout. While doing the self checkout, when I built the two general items that I had picked, and I was going to check out, and I clicked on the checkout button, the machine got frozen with a message sent to associate. So the associate came and she told me that you have four items in the cart, but you paid for only two. So I told her that look, these two are pharmacy items, and I have paid at pharmacy already. And I also showed her my receipt. Then she said, okay. Then she said, I see only one here. Then I had to explain her that why it was one over there. And then after some, like she looked at the items and she said, oh yeah, you are correct. So she unlocked the machine. She went again, the machine got locked and still she had to come. And this time she helped me to check out. Now, few things. Now, with the advancement of AIs, the self-checkout cameras are looking at the shopping carts that you have and analyzing the footage. I mean, you are being recorded. Okay, fine. I have no problem in that because as long as you are doing nothing wrong, there should not be any issue. Second thing is that what I see is that extensive checkup. Like twice I was checked, I mean my cart, and I had explained and I went through. So one more thing I would tell you guys that whatever you nowadays buy, please take its receipt. Having a receipt is very important because if you don't have a receipt, you could be in trouble, right? You don't want even a small argument in these situations, especially when you're around your family members. At the other hand, like with automation and AI, when a lot of people are losing jobs, some people are resorting to, in fact, many, I don't have the number, lot of shoplifting because shoplifting when it's self-checkout is much easier because like let's say let me give you an example. You buy a pack of biscuit of the brand and you pick up two brands, two packs. A lot of people they just scan one and don't scan other, and even if they could get caught, it's a small misdemeanor. Not misdemeanor, yeah, mistake, manual mistake, of course. Like they can say we scanned and but the machine is showing only one. A lot of excuses people can make at any time. People are very creative about it. People are stealing to like they pick up something else and in the machine they do something else. That's why stores are also forced to enhance their existing systems to accommodate such issues. But at the same time, if you are subjected to something like this, depending upon uh, person to person, some of you may feel offended, like why twice you were questioned. But there's nothing to feel. Those associates, those who are standing at self-checkout or at any area, it it's not their job to humiliate you or to make you feel uncomfortable. They are doing their job, they are doing their duty. And let me tell you one thing, guys, if they're doing this extensive checkup, there's nothing to feel upset because they are actually helping you. Because there is no free lunch in the world. So if items are being stolen from a store, that means someone else is paying. And who is someone else? You, me, and everyone. Because store is not going to go into loss. If let's say $1,000 worth of items are stolen, fine, store will distribute $1,000 among the price of remaining items and will recover the money. So it's like stealing from all of us. So if you see such situations where you are being asked to verify your purchase, don't feel uncomfortable. If you have nothing to hide, just stay with it and then it's gonna help you. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.